And my one key message to anybody using the LSE platform would be that let's not forget the teachers. Let's not forget that we need to put in a lot of hard work to embed life skills and understanding of life skills and equipping them with skills to teach life skills. That is very important. That's the hard work. It's easy to put together a glossary. It's easy to put together assessment tools to assess and measure life skills. But the difficult job is actually, it's also easy to develop curricula emanating from the India Glossary of Life Skills. But the tough part is to truly embed it in every single classroom, and we cannot do that without the teachers.